Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nidhi. So yes, you can like see I'm like little bit of dressed up, and yeah. So today I'm going to meet my friends. That's why I'm getting ready. So yeah, we are going for shopping. Then we will be going for some, खाना पीना वाला session, and then let's see क्या होता है. But yeah, I'm going to see them like after 9 to 10 months. It's been a long time. It's been a very very long time. And yeah, they are my ex-colleagues, but now they are like a very very good friend of mine. So yeah, I'm just gonna meet them today. And yeah, by the way, let me just tell you my pimple thing that मैंने last vlog में आपको दिखाया था कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा deal हो रही थी मैं पिम्पल से. But right now it is like recovering. I don't have any bumps right now on my face, just the marks. Some marks are left, otherwise all the pimples are gone. And I'm currently loving how my skin feels, how my skin looks. Actually, it just made me feel so much confident. So yeah, that's the story about my acne. If अगर ये मेरे acne marks चले जाते, I'm definitely going to share a YouTube video about it, that how I eased my acne journey. But yeah, that's the story about it. Now I'm just gonna get ready, and after that I'm gonna show you my OOTD look. So yeah, wait for that. So hey, I just got ready and मैंने cute सा pearl वाला clip लगाया, which I adore. I love it. And मैंने मालविका सितलानी का driver seat lipstick लगाई हुई है, which I love. This is my current obsession, I think, and I love it. And ऐसा है. And this is my OOTD. I have worn this pretty red top and with a big Levi's की jeans, and I'm going to pair it with shoes, I think. Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the mall directly, I think. So I finally reached the city center mall, and guess whom I met? Ta-da! Pooja and Nilima. She is very camera shy, by the way, and ये तो stupid है. So yeah, हम just अभी सिटी सेंटर मॉल पहुँचे. Let's see क्या है. बिग बाज़ार जा रहे हैं शायद से. I'll let you guys know कि बिग बाज़ार में क्या क्या है अभी. Let's see. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? ये लड़की थक हार के बैठ गई है और मैंने भर के शॉपिंग ऑलरेडी कर लिया. बट मुझे एक और चीज़ अभी लेना है. लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है. बट या अच्छा है सामान, बट विंटर अप्रोप्रिएट उतना ज़्यादा था नहीं कुछ. सो सिटी सेंटर मॉल बहुत ही हद तक पूरा ऑपरेट किया जा रहा है. एंड आई शॉप्ड अ लॉट. दैट्स माई शॉपिंग बैग. This store is full of cuteness. So सिटी सेंटर मॉल की हालत काफ़ी ज़्यादा बेटर है. एंड इनफैक्ट कोई भी ऐसा शॉप मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है जो कि बंद है. अप्रॉक्सीमेटली सारे के सारे जितने भी स्टॉल्स है सब कुछ ओपन है. बाहर के भी स्टॉल्स जितने थे सब ओपन है. एवरीथिंग इज़ सो गुड. एंड हाँ, काफ़ी प्रिकॉशंस ले रहे हैं. सैनिटाइजेशन भी कंटिन्यूस किया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. मास्क इज़ कंपलसरी. दो मैंने वीडियो के लिए अभी ओपन किया है because we wanted to click some pictures. And yeah, everything is super cool. Now we are leaving for a cafe. A new cafe has opened in Nashik city. So yeah, we are just waiting and let's see क्या होता है अभी. मैं आपको तब तक मैं सिटी सेंटर का थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू दे देती हूँ कि हाउ इट्स लुकिंग राइट नाउ. दो अगर मैं और थोड़ा लेट आती तो क्रिसमस के डेकोरेशंस बहुत सुपर हो गए रहते. बट या नेवर माइंड, शॉपिंग हो गई है अच्छी खासी. एंड मैं घर पे जाने के बाद आपको पूरा का पूरा शॉपिंग हॉल दिखाने वाली हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है. सो वेट फॉर दैट.
get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
Hey guys, so we are at Cafe Culture right now and यहाँ पर मेरे को पता नहीं था कि न्यू कैफे ओपन हुआ है. दो आई विजिटेड इट विद माई फ्रेंड्स एंड टू बी वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट द वाइब ऑफ दिस कैफे एंड इन फैक्ट द एम्बियंस इज super duper cool. Okay, this is very compact, cozy, very cute little cafe and I totally recommend it to you guys as well. I hope you guys like it. So this is smoky cheese fries and अच्छा तो लग रहा है देखने में. Let's see, try करते कैसा है ये. Let's dig into this.
They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all.
So I've heard about this sandwich mafia a lot. So today I'm gonna try this out and very smoky flavors. It is a must try when you come to Cafe Culture and I think they serve amazing food at a very affordable prices.
Like it was the first time.
Very tango flavor. Very tango flavor. Tomato.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes.
Finally, we are here at Tasty Katta, which is this cute little cafe. But yeah, we're just gonna have some chai. So guys, I just got back home and it was such a nice day. I spent my Sunday so good. I met my friends after so long. Late हो गया थोड़ा सा घर आते आते because हमने कौशल को कॉल कर लिया था. If you don't know, Kaushal is a very good friend of mine and I'm so proud of you. जो भी तू कर रहा है, it is very nice to see you growing and yeah, that's about it. And please तो सर पे मत चढ़ा के रखना. So अभी टाइम हो रहा है 8:15 and मैं आपको जल्दी दिखा देती हूँ मैं क्या शॉपिंग करके लाई हूँ. So this is the bag. I got everything from Pantaloons because I had to redeem some coupon codes. So the very first thing which I got is a very cute, very extremely cute blazer which I really needed from a long time. So this is very cute lavender colored blazer. See guys, I'm currently obsessed with lavender. If you are like thinking कि lavender color का blazer कौन लेता है, हम जैसे लोग जिंदा है अभी धरती पे. So this is lavender color का blazer and I loved it. This is from the brand Van Heusen and yeah, I'm in the size medium. The price is 2,000 rupees but I got it for around 1,500. Yeah, it was on sale, that's why. And I totally love this blazer. So this is the very first buy. So जो second चीज़ मैं लेकर आई हूँ वो ये है cute सा jacket kind of thing which I don't know what to call, but yeah, it's a cute jacket. Athleisure wear का है I think ये, but yeah, I find it really cute. Plus ये pink type का color है, black and white color के stripes हैं and I totally loved it and ये बहुत ज़्यादा soft material का है. This is from the brand Agile and I'm in the size large and yeah, I love कि ये detailing यहाँ पे जो दी हुई है. And yeah, this is what I got, the second thing. Third thing which I love from this mini haul is this very cute maxi dress. I think yeah, that's a maxi dress. I loved it and ये ऊपर का है, okay? ये elastic है, so I don't know, I think ये off shoulder भी कर सकते हैं, but yeah. So यहाँ cinching waist है and सबसे beautiful part is bottom. बॉटम में ऐसे पॉम पॉम लगे हुए हैं एंड इट्स वेरी क्यूट. ओके, इट्स सुपर क्यूट maxi dress which I totally adore. This is from the brand People and I got it for 1199 rupees. There was no sale on this, so I paid full price for this. But yeah, मैंने बोला ना मेरे पास कूपन कोड से, that's why इतनी शॉपिंग की, अदरवाइज नहीं करती मैं. And yeah, the last thing which I got is this cute night dress kind of thing. So yeah, this is what I got. It's a very cute color. मुझे ये कलर काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूनिक लगा and I got it for, ये बहुत सस्ता था, ये सस्ता था 299, उतना भी नहीं, but yeah, it was good. I mean, घर में पहनने के लिए it's fine. So yeah, these 4 things I think I got. Yeah, और इसके अलावा कुछ खाने पीने की चीज़ें थी and that's it. And yeah, so I think I should just end this vlog over here because इसके बाद मेरे पास कुछ करने के लिए है नहीं खास because I had to do some college work. But yeah, I think I should leave now. And yeah, if you did like this video, then please go ahead, like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that would mean the world to me. We are very close to 500 subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe, please. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Until then, bye.
It's alright. How could I be so blind?